everyone, I am Rubeshwaran of grade 9 from Shakthi International School. I am here to give a summary on the sessions conducted by AI readiness. Now, we will see what is meant by an AI. When a machine is able to mimic human intelligence, that is, when a machine can solve real world problems, improve on its own from their past experiences, predict and make decisions on its own, then it can be termed as artificially intelligent or an AI. Next, we will see about how to make or what are the components needed for make an AI machine. The two main components needed to make an AI machine is data and algorithm. Here, data is nothing but the problem and the solution for the problem. All the information of the problem and the solution will be in the form of the data. And algorithm is nothing but arranging the data accordingly and setting up rules to work the AI machine. So these two are the main components to make AI machine. So next we will see the abilities of AI. An AI can perform bulky and high volume tasks efficiently, analyze huge amounts of information in very less time, help us achieve incredible accuracy in many problems, help us solve real life problems. And there are also many other abilities of AI, and these are the important abilities of AI. Next we will see some of the AI around us. That is the examples of AI. Swiggy, YouTube, Flipkart, Lenskart, Arogya Setu, Shri, Google Assistant, Hey Cortana, Amazon Alexa, Facebook, Google Maps and much more. In this, if we see Shri, Google Assistant, Hey Cortana and Amazon Alexa can communicate with us in the mode of speech and also in the mode of text. It can change its language according to us, and it is easily communicable to all the humans. If we see in lenskart.com, we can use these specs virtually and see if it's fitting to our face or not. This is all because of the AI. Now we will see the components of AI or the components of electronics used for AI. They are automation, robotics and sensor networks. Automation is nothing but the technology which can perform predefined tasks with minimal human assistance. Example, washing machine, air conditioner, etc. Next is robotics. It is technology which involves the use of robotics to perform specified tasks, and also the use of robots. Example, line following robots, sensor networks, etc. Next, if you see in sensor networks, technology, it is the technology that helps in monitoring values and parameters through sensors. Example, digital thermometer, remote controller and etc. All three is not necessary to come under AI, but AI can be developed by these three components. But all the hardwares and softwares which is created by these components are not necessarily to be AI. Thank you.